Hey everyone, it's Glenn with ERD Powertrain. You know, the guy in the video. And right now I'm in the wiring assembly room where we make our exciting CPC4 quick release safety cable for the Cascadia Freightliner. As you can see right here, I have one on our rolling cart. It comes with a cable that stays in the vehicle, the part that attaches to the CPC4, and a carrying bag, so when you remove your CPC4 it goes with you in this bag. Additionally, we have added a new product for those people who have had their CPC harness stolen and it was cut out of their truck by whoever took it. We have the harness repair kit, which allows you to quickly and effectively get your truck back up and on the road again. We also have added the ability to custom order bits and pieces out of a harness on the Freightliner Cascadia. This is a full wiring harness out of a Cascadia, and we're able to duplicate any part that you might need if you have a damaged wiring harness. So remember, at ERD, we're not just CPC4s. We're also wiring harnesses through ERD Powertrain.